As you know, we have more than 100 types of book cloth available on our website. And when I restore book like this, I'm going to restore the cover. And then what I do is I go through all of our book cloth and try to find the closest color to the book cover. So, and I found one, you see? The color is really close. So this is the benefit of having a large collection of book cloths available. So what you do is you can purchase a small sample from us, like a 6 by 6 centimeter samples.